Best deals. Let's review some of the trending kitchen mixer grinder machine, which enables you to grind all kinds of spices, fruits, vegetables and grains effectively. Also, a mixer grinder is crucial in the kitchen because it saves time and effort by automating grinding and mixing tasks, ensuring consistent results and versatility in food preparation. It allows for efficient grinding of spices, blending of smoothies, and preparation of pastes, making it a versatile kitchen companion. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Mixer grinder. Extract immunity-boosting antioxidants, proteins, vitamins, and omega-3s with precision-engineered, surgical-grade stainless steel blades. Monitor grinding and blending without opening the jars. Use the 500 ml tall jar for blending smoothies and the 300 ml short jar for grinding masalas and chutneys. Simple twist-to-lock jars ensure safe, effortless operation. Dishwasher-safe jars make cleaning easy and fast. Start with 2 jars today, and upgrade anytime with chopper, juicer, food processor, or bigger jars as your kitchen needs grow. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Mini grinder. Sleek stainless steel design for effortless cleaning and maintenance, blades for fast, even grinding of coffee beans, spices, herbs, and masala. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Oil press machine. Equipped with advanced technology, it ensures maximum oil extraction from seeds and nuts, leaving behind minimal waste. Cold press oil machine for home is very useful. Precision engineering for optimal results. Crafted with precision, our oil machine boasts a robust design that guarantees consistent and high-quality oil output. The powerful motor and carefully calibrated components work in perfect harmony, delivering a smooth and reliable performance every time. Simplicity meets sophistication with our user-friendly oil maker machine. The intuitive interface and easy-to-follow instructions make oil extraction a breeze, even for beginners. Just add your ingredients, press a button, and let the machine do the rest. Oil maker machine accommodates a wide range of seeds and nuts, ensuring you can create an array of oils to suit your culinary preferences. Versatility at cold press oil machine. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Electric citrus juicer. Stainless steel juicer with 100% copper motor. The professional AC motor with 350 W power helps to obtain maximum juice quickly. The pressure lever juicer gets more juice effortlessly without getting your hands dirty. Automatic startup by simply pressing the cone with the fruit. The lever is made of aluminum with rubber grip. Includes a stainless steel filter and a filter with adjustable pulp regulator. It has 2 cones of different sizes suitable for all types of citrus fruits. Juice oranges, lemons, grapefruit, citron, limes. Its spout has 2 different positions, one that allows the juice to be stored in the 0.65-liter tank and another that offers continuous direct pouring into the glass. The mouth designed with anti-drip system. The juicer is fully removable juicer for easy cleaning. Its parts are dishwasher safe and BPA free. Juice the toughest fruits and vegetables effortlessly. Cleaning can now be done within 1 minute, thanks to the integrated pulp container and smooth surfaces. The energy efficient delivering juice quickly so you can effortlessly press the freshest juices, which means every morning is an energizing, gourmet experience. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Atta maker machine. Knead all types of dough, from soft chapati dough to pizza dough, effortlessly with the Atta Kneader dough maker, saving your time and energy in the kitchen. The transparent, lockable lid ensures you can monitor your dough's progress while preventing any mess or spillage. During the kneading process, the bowl is durable, easy to clean, and resistant to rust. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Blender. Effortlessly blend, chop, grind or puree for making smoothies, juices, milkshakes, cold coffee, masala and chutney. Blend refreshing fruit and vegetable juices, protein shakes, delicious smoothies, and other wholesome beverages within seconds. Meticulously crafted using high-quality food-grade material, super sharp stainless steel blades, and a double lacquer finish, guaranteeing durability and long-lasting performance. Make your smoothies, shakes, coffee, juices, frozen drinks in seconds. Easy to get nutrient and vitamin extracts hidden in fruits and veggies. Extra flat blade and cup to grind coffee beans and nuts. Easy to operate, clean, detachable and easily washable parts. Product link is given in the 6th link. 7. Cold press slow juicer. The slow masticating juicer machine is equipped with a stainless steel filter with a fine and dense mesh, which adequately separates the juice from the pomace. Every sip you take is a pure, delicate juice. The fruit juicer machine auger spins at 90 to 110 times per minute. From a scientific point of view, the low speed is a major factor in avoiding nutritional loss from the juice, as a slow juicer machine does not oxidize the juice nutrients due to heat buildup. This masticating juicer is suitable for whole fruit and vegetable. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Portable blender. Is designed with portability in mind, featuring a compact and lightweight build that fits easily into your bag, backpack, or gym kit. Whether you are traveling, heading to the office, or going to the gym, is effortlessly easy to carry, ensuring you can take it with you wherever you go. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Masala grinder. Versatile and can be used to grind a wide variety of spices, including cumin, coriander, peppercorns, cloves, cardamom, and more. Some models can also grind nuts and seeds. These machines ensure a consistent grind, resulting in a uniform texture and flavor in your dishes. You can adjust the coarseness or fineness of the grind to suit your specific recipe. Machines are generally easy to use, with simple controls and settings. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Cold press slow juicer. Uses low speed, 55 rpm, to squeeze fruits and vegetables, ensuring no important fiber, vitamins and minerals are damaged from heat and processing. This kind of juice extraction prevents oxidation and help you get real tasting in natural juice. The small, space-saving design of the slow juicer helps you to save counter space in your kitchen without compromising on the end results, that is, nutrient-rich juices. Designed with a reverse motor action, mostly not found in conventional juicers. This feature helps clean any pulp blockages and also ensures a better extraction process. Equipped with a higher motor power than most juicers in the same range, so that any ingredient you put in the appliance is juiced fully. The separate pulp outlet and juice jars prevent any kind of mess on the kitchen counter. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Mixer grinder. Soft sound technology for silent operations, power blade performance for tough ingredients, 3-step blade technology for smooth blending of smoothies, leak-free jars for hassle-free use in cleaning. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Mini blender. Enjoy extended blending sessions without frequent recharging. Perfect for daily use, travel, and fitness enthusiasts looking for a reliable juice blender machine for fruits. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Coconut scraper. Uniform grinding pressure and 4-way grinding system, sturdy single-phase high-torque motor, shock-proof ABS body and detachable stainless steel drum, unbreakable and transparent lids made of polycarbonate material, the ABS plastic which acts as a shock-proof body and heat-resistant. The coconut scraper adds additional benefits for making your kitchen chores easier. Product link is given in the 13th link.